Welcome back, friends. And in your mobile, if you are finding someday that here the signals are not coming, not registered on network, or this is searching for signals, in that case, what you will do, I am going to cover in this video. I am going to tell you 5 6 methods. Believe me, after watching this video till the end, if you have not any hardware issue, then you will fix this problem, believe me. So not wasting much of your time, please be patient and watch this video till the end. And if you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your family and friends. Very first thing what you need to do is just restart your mobile, nothing else. Okay, you can restart by from here. Press the power off button. Don't give that impulse. Press for some time and then power off here, or slide it down and from once more, and then from here also you can power off. Restart or power off. If you are powering off, then restart it. Maybe you find that your problem has been solved. If the problem has not been solved, then please here just take out the SIM tray and blow some air. Check for some dust. If dust is not there, clean it. See that SIM tray is not physically damaged. SIM tray should not be physically damaged. So check for physical damage of SIM tray and blow some air, clean SIM, and then insert here. And after that, check if signals are coming, then it is okay. If the signals are still not coming, then the third method is just go to the setting and go to this connection. This is a Samsung mobile. Here you will find mobile networks, and in some mobile you will find networks and connections. So what you need to search, just go to network mode and just change the connection mode once, and then go back to original one. Just change to 3G. If it is 3G, it will shift, and then go to the original one. And after that, see it is coming or not. It should come. And if it is not coming, then the fourth thing, go to setting, go to the connections. Here mobile networks, networks operator, and here select automatically. Choose your network manually. It will take some time, and after that, when all the available networks will come here, just choose your network. Maybe after that the signals will come here. If it is coming, then it is okay. If it is not coming, then the fifth method is just here I will choose my signal. Okay, it is come just like that. Your signal will also come. If it is not coming, then go back, don't worry, and go to the SIM card manager, and then try to, if you are using dual SIM, try to on off both the SIM. And after doing that, if your signal is coming, it is very good. If it is not coming, then search here, go to the root of the settings and search SIM toolkit. It is not coming here. Then in some mobile it will come under apps. In apps, here go here, not, and show system app, it should be on. And now search SIM toolkit, it will come here. Now force stop it. Okay, if there is any error, it will force stop and restart that, and then go to the storage. Here clear data and clear cache. Do both, clear data and clear cache, and after that just restart your mobile. Your problem may get solved. If it is still not solving, then go to here settings, and then go to the search for reset, and here reset network setting. 80% of users found this solution very useful. This is very important. Just reset setting. This will reset all the network setting, but nothing will go. Only the stored passwords will go. So reset setting, and after that just restart your mobile. Your mobile should work. If after doing all the things it is not working, then you need to be worried and then go to the authorized service center for checkup. That's all. Thank you very much.